Multiplying decimals with number chips. This is the St. Patrick's Day version, and this is a digital lesson. So it starts with explaining to students how you need to move your decimal point all the way to the right, and then you're multiplying with whole numbers. When you get your product, then you're going to go ahead and move that decimal point back the same number of places to the left in your answer. So it has a couple slides where it shows them exactly how this is done. So this one, we have one decimal point we have to move to the right. Then we multiply as if they're just whole numbers. When we get our product, we're going to move that decimal point back one place to the left. The next slide, it shows what to do when you have two decimal points that you're moving to the right. You multiply as if they were whole numbers, and then you're going to move that decimal point back two places to the left in your product. Now, students are going to start on slide 5 with the number chips. So to move these chips around, you just click and hold on the edge, and then you can move them where you like. So they have all the number chips on every slide that they need. And they're going to start by looking at how many places they move that decimal point to the right. So here, our first number that we're multiplying, or our first factor, you're going to be moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. The second factor, you're going to be moving the decimal point 1 place to the right. So that's a total of 3 spaces to the right. Now we're going to multiply as if they were whole numbers. So we're just going to move the number chips into place. 7 times 5 is 35. Carry a 3. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 3 is 45. We're going to carry a 4. And then 7 times 8 is 56 plus 4 is 60. Now they're going to be moving this decimal point. So because they moved the decimal point 3 places total to the right, they have to move it 3 places to the left in their product. Okay, they're going to be doing several problems just like this. They get a little more difficult as you go. And again, every number they need is on every slide. So if they get toward the end and the numbers aren't working, they know that they've made an error and they need to go back and check again. Now, every slide has a yellow heart with a letter inside. They're going to be using that for the final slide to solve a riddle. So they get down to slide 13. Why do leprechauns like to garden? So here we have a product from every single slide. Students are going to go back through the slides, find the slide where they had this product, and they're going to type the letter that's in the yellow heart above their product, and it will solve the riddle. Why do leprechauns like to garden? So this is a digital lesson multiplying decimals with number chips, the St. Patrick's Day version.